They gotta be down.
No, no.
They fucking
Oh, there's
tased
like no. Oh, there's one
Nothing.
left. Oh, there's one left.
Yeah, one here, yeah. Oh.
I'll run around the compound if I have to.
Shit.
I'll take the black one on the right.
Yeah.
I made it out of there. They after me. Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna bring them downtown so you guys can get away.
Alright, I got away. Where are you guys?
7005. Oh,
Are you running?
oh, negative.
7005?
Oh, 7105. Actually, I'm high.
Alright, I'm coming, but I got the chopper on me.
Don't
710.
come. Don't come.
Okay, don't
Okay.
come. Don't come. Okay.
Well, change whips. I'm good.
I got one there.
I just got the chopper on me.
Damn boys ran me over.
Got him. All right, I'm in the clear.
Still on the run.
Does anybody need a ride?
Where you at, boy?
I think I'll be good.
Cody, say you good, boy?
Yeah, I'm good right now.
What about Cody? You good there, boy?
Ah! I got. They got duped. Muddy. Where are you?
North Rockford Drive right here.
Are you on foot?
Damn, boy, I was trying to take you hostage. I pull over. Pull over and said I was trying to kill you.
Goes too goddamn late now, boy.
I think I'm in the clear.
No, please! I have a little baby girl!